Hey friends, it's your girl Nurls. Welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video, and this time I'm excited to be collaborating again with QVR Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video and for sending me this beautiful hair. I'm going to tell you guys all about this hair and my process in installing the hair, and I'll also share some of the lessons I learned while installing the hair. So first of all, this hair is the Afro Kinky bulk hair from QVR. It is 100% human unprocessed hair, human hair unprocessed. The texture is kinky, but it's extra soft, guys. They sent me 6 bundles. I ended up only using 4, which at first I wanted it really small, but then I decided to do medium because, of time. So the length is 20 inches. Color, I wanted, I don't know why, but I'm really feeling this color right now. It's the mix 4-30, 430. But with QVR, this hair is available in so many different colors, guys, from like 1B to like gold and blonde. So check out their website and you can see, and I'll have all of that included in the description down below. So about the hair is very soft. It's very lightweight, so easy to separate, and so easy to install. I would recommend pre-parting your own hair and also pre-separating the hair. I think I showed you guys my little hair rack thingy that I use, that I had pre-separated the hair, which really helped. I ended up using 4 bundles. I think I said that. I used 2 full bundles in the back, and then I used 1 bundle on each side. In the back, I had 6 rows, which I ended up separating to make it a little smaller. And then in the front, I had 8 rows on each side. So I used 1 bundle per side and then 2 in the back, which totaled into 4. Pre-sectioning your hair will help with the timing. It took me about 8 hours to do this hair. I know some people start one day and then do it the next day. I like to just finish my hair in one sitting. So it took me about 8 hours. This is me also showing you guys the packet and just the package and just what it says. It is the Afro Kinky hair and so on. Let me know if you want more information about this, but I thought this was plenty to share with you all. And this hair was really easy to install. So as far as my braiding pattern, I really just started with like plaiting the hair with 3 strands of hair, and then once I feel that it's secure, then I go into twisting. It's not so much, I didn't do the rope twist because I wanted it to look full, and I also wanted volume. The thing about this hair, it's so versatile that you can choose to twist it however you want, depending on what you want the hair to look like. If you guys look online, you'll see some people have it more like a rope style, or others have it more like just twist style, as you can see mine. So it all depends on how you want it to look. This hair, benefits of this hair, it is so lightweight. And if you're looking for like no tension protective style, which is what's recommended for hair health, this is a great option for you. There's no stress on your hair. It's it's versatile, versatile, lightweight. I said that already, and you can wear it for a long time. Because it is the Afro Kinky texture, I believe that the longer you wear it, the better it looks. So you can certainly have longevity if you are someone who, like, you don't really want to mess with your hair too much. So I think you can wear it long. Now, my recommendation is usually to do protective style no more than 4 to 6 weeks. But I know some people go beyond that. I typically do about 3 weeks, maybe 4, but most of the time I only do 3 weeks. So I'll probably be rocking this hair for 2 to 3 weeks. Really lightweight, really easy to install, and it took me 8 hours because I was filming, and once I finished the front, I kept going back and forth between upstairs and downstairs. I'm trying to think if I forgot anything else. Oh, and of course, it's really pretty. So once I was done with installing the hair, I really wanted the ends to be curly. So you can see that I started with twisting all the way towards the end. Then halfway through the process, I think once I got to the top of the back, I didn't twist all the way down because I really wanted the ends to be a little bit curly once I added water and mousse. So once I was done with installing or twisting the hair, and I also didn't do it really long. I forgot to say this. I only used one piece of hair. Well, not one piece, but you know what I mean. I didn't double to make it longer. I wanted it to be more of like shoulder length, not even like a little bit below my neck. So I only used just one piece. I didn't add, but you can add if you want it to be longer. I've seen some of the YouTubers adding to their hair. So once you twist, you can add another string to make it longer. I didn't do that because I didn't really want it long. I wanted more of a layered, shorter look. So once I'm done with this process, which is going to be coming up pretty soon, I did spray water. And as I'm twisting, I was also cleaning up, as you can see, just to minimize shedding. There was a little shedding, but not much. So, and you have to take your time to separate the hair. Like I said, it's really easy to separate, but you can't rush this process. So once I finished this twist, I did go in with my bottled water, just water, and I spritz some water on there. And then I used some mousse. I had some Mael mousse, styling mousse. That's what I used. And then I also did add some gel at the end. And then I used my hair diffuser to dry it because, again, I wanted to create more volume. Now, for twisting, I did use the styling jam, which I think that was not the best option to use. So when I do this hair again, and I will do it again, and the hair is reusable, guys. You can use it again. So once I take it out and I use it again, I think I will use a different styling gel, just because I feel like the jam left it kind of stiff, and I didn't really enjoy that. So then I go in with the mousse and gel, just because I wanted the ends to be a bit curly, and then I'll use my diffuser to dry the hair, so I wouldn't be going to bed with wet hair, because at this time it's like midnight, guys. Because I think I started around 4, and I think I ended around midnight, so 8 hours. And then once I used the diffuser, then I got more of a volume, and so this is what it looks right now. Just kind of like trying to figure it out. Obviously, you can wear it middle part. I'm a side part girl, so I'm probably mostly going to be wearing it on the side. Again, you can style it however you want. And then this is the next day, Sunday morning. It's getting ready for church. And this is what it looks like. So what do you think? I am so happy with how it came out. Beautiful. I love it. Now, on Sunday morning, it was still a little stiff. And I think I'm going to add extra footage at the end so you guys can see maybe a day or two. I think on Monday I did end up dipping it in hot water because I wanted it to be a bit more relaxed, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. But what you're looking at right now was just cold water or warm water, mousse, and gel, and that's what it got me. But I like the volume. Obviously I'm someone who really like big hair, but I don't mind the volume. So tell me what you think. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you have any other questions? Hopefully I covered everything, but I'm human, guys. So if I forgot something, just ask me, and if I have the answer, I will share it. I try to reply to all my comments because I really appreciate you all. I'll insert some pictures in there, and also just stay tuned for the extra footage of what it looks like as of today, because I did end up dipping it in hot water. Thank you so much for watching. I love you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and tell your friends so they can join us and be part of the family. Thank you, guys. Bye.